In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos and videos from iPad to USB drive. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now it's really simple to do this, and you can do it on literally any iPad that you have. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and connect your drive to your iPad. You can use a USB-C wire, a USB-A to C wire, or just any adapter that you can find, basically to have that wide connection between your drive and your iPad. Once you go ahead and do that, you want to ensure that it's actually properly connected. So what I can do is swipe down and find my Files application. Then I'm going to be in the Recents tab, but next to it on the left, I'm going to see that other icon. Now, as you can see, it says T7 Touch. That's my drive, and that's how I know it's connected. So now what I want to do is go ahead and open up my photo gallery and find whatever image or anything like that I want to basically transfer to my USB drive. Once I go ahead and click on it, on the top left, I'm going to see a share icon. So go ahead and click on that. Then all I got to do is basically I can see a lot of different things right here, like, to share it on different things or anything like that. But once I'm here, all I got to do is scroll down, and then I'm going to see Save to Files as the second last option. Once I'm here, all I got to do is switch it to T7 Touch, and then on the top right, go ahead and click Save, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.